This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we have a recipe for jumbo tiger prawn stir fry with lettuce stem.
Today I'm at the produce department of the T&T local supermarket. Today we're going to make a recipe. So this is the lettuce stem. So you can buy this and just cut it up into slices. So this is stir fry. So let's get started. The stalk, we're going to take off the skin and then slice it. Just going to cut it in half to make it easier to work with. Nice green color. That's nice. So this is a popular dish in China. One of our family friends, he stir-fried it one time. And then restaurants such as Tato's Kitchen, they use this as one of their toppings. The former Kent's Kitchen. So you see the stalk, we just cut the stalk, cut off the skin. Just cut off the skin with a knife. You can use a potato peeler, you probably could, but this is just easier and faster. Potato peeler sometimes is harder to do on a sort of a tougher skin. It's tougher skin than potato skin. So I just use a knife. So just go like that. I'm sure if you want to eat the outside, you can, but we're kind of doing it restaurant style, restaurant standard. So you don't want to use these pieces. But I'm sure if you want to put it in the soup, you can do it as well. Put it in the soup. Put that in the soup if you want. I just like to cut it at an angle here. It just looks more fancy, but you can just cut it straight across if you like. You can cut it straight across like this. Like that if you like. Or you cut an angle. Whichever way you like. Doesn't really matter. So there you have it.
First, preheat your wok or frying pan at medium to medium-high heat. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Here I use peanut oil. You can use corn oil or other kind of oils, except olive oil, which has a lower heating point. Then you add some aromatics. Here I like to add about a tablespoon of chopped ginger. Ginger really brings up the flavor in the stir fry. So just let the ginger sear for about 20 to 30 seconds. So when you do home cooking, you need to let it sear more than you do using a high-powered gas stove in a restaurant. Here I'm using a carbon steel fry pan. You can use a carbon steel wok if you like, but a fry pan like this has more surface to sear your foods. The next step, I'm going to add some jumbo tiger prawns. So I have 6 to 8 jumbo tiger prawns, or you can add maybe 12 to 15 smaller size tiger prawns. So let the prawns sear once again for 20 to 30 seconds. When the tiger prawns change in color, just flip them over and give them a quick sear on the other side as well. Now I'm going to add some chopped celery and some chopped onions. So these are aromatics as well. I like my celery and onion on the raw side, so add it right now. If you like your celery and onion more cooked, add them at the same time when you put the ginger. Now we're going to add the sliced lettuce stem. You can boil the lettuce stem for a few minutes if you like it more tender. Otherwise, just put the lettuce stem in without boiling them. This time, you can turn the heat setting to high to get more wok hei flavor, the carbon sear flavor. And then also add 1 to 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, which is known as regular soy sauce. And then add some Maggi sauce if you have it. Maggi sauce is almost like a soy sauce, except it's made with wheat instead of soybeans. And then I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of my favorite sauce, which is the oyster flavor sauce. Or you can put other kind of sauces that you like, such as hoisin sauce. And then we're going to give the ingredients a final stir fry. So keeping the heat setting at high will give you a nice bouquet, which is the carbon sear flavor that is infused into all your ingredients. And finally, just before you take off your dish, add a few shakes of sesame oil. Sesame oil will have a nice nutty flavor and also give you a nice fragrance to your dish. Just before serving your dish, add a few more splashes of cooking oil just to shine up your prawns and your veggies. So just give everything a final stir fry. Here you have it, jumbo tiger prawn stir fry with lettuce stem. This is a special dish you can serve to your friends and family. Enjoy.
I gotta try this.
Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for your continued support.